Hey YouTube, I just wanted to do a quick video on changing out my alternator. I got a 2006 Chrysler Town and Country, and I just wanted to show you how it worked out for me. I watched a lot of vids on YouTube, and thanks to all you guys. But first thing I did do is I did not jack the car up. I just put it up on some blocks like this, and it worked out fine. And I had nice access in there to take out those little Christmas tree gizmos. There's 4 of them that holds that plate in. You'll see it's no biggie. And then up in here, the main bolts. There's one right there. There's one down under you get from below. On the one down under, I used a 15mm deep socket. It worked out good as far as fit and everything. These are 15mm up here, both of them. And I used a wrench like this, which was able to get in on that one. And also the one down below there. It's kind of hard to see it, but it worked out nice. That one down there is kind of difficult. One of the guys used a ratcheting wrench, which I can see would be really a good advantage. But anyway, what I started to do is take this thing apart, and I found out that this ECG valve bolts, the ones down under here, I was really reefing on them, and I was afraid I was going to snap them. So instead of doing that, I ended up taking out this crossbar, and okay, it's in backwards. Alright, it's upside down. Alright. Okay. So that sits in there like that. And there's just 2 13mm bolts on each end. And then you undo your hood latch gizmo. So you can pop that out, boom. And then this fan that sits in here is just one bolt on the top. And you undo your electrical connection. You can slide that fan right out. And then the alternator just came right out beautiful. No problem at all. So I just wanted to share that with you. The other thing that was going on is this my alternator, when I took it to get it tested at a local shop, this is actually a clutch arrangement, which I've never heard of. And it was actually the clutch that was bad on this pulley and not the actual alternator. So the guy put a new pulley on there, and $47 instead of $166. He put it on his machine and tested out at 14.2. So it saved me a ton of money. So instead of buying a new one, that worked out good. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm in the middle now. I also my radiator is gone also, I found out, so I'm in the middle of replacing that. I might make a little video on that too. So I guess that's it. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.